Why is writing hard? Why can't writing be simple and easy? Can AI do all of my writing for me? Hi, I'm Elizabeth Preston, and I'm an executive consultant and manager of the Communication Diagnostics Department at Hurley Write Incorporated. Writing is indeed hard. This is because writing is thinking on paper, and thinking is hard. Thinking is complex. It includes a lot of steps, even something that sounds simple like know your audience. That involves a lot of thinking steps. You have to think, who is my audience? What do they want? What do they need? Because the two things can be different. How do they want to be talked to? How much time do they have to read my document? How do I capture their attention spans and get them to keep reading? That's a lot of steps. So that kind of thinking is hard. It's complex. You have to do deep dives. It takes time. That means that writing is complex. It's difficult. It's especially difficult if you don't have the right tools to approach writing through a scientific and strategic lens. And while AI can do some things for you, it can't do all of writing for you. But perhaps what it can and can't do is a different video altogether. Hurley Write can give you the tools you need to be a successful writer. It can help you with your strategic thinking, your critical thinking, and the nitty-gritty of writing. Life's too short to write poorly. Learn how you and your team can save time and money with better writing skills by giving us a call at 877-249-7483 or email us at info@hurleywrite.com. That's info@hurleywrite.com. I'm Elizabeth Preston. May your week be filled with good health and good writing.